Hey, welcome. So if you're an automotive supplier here in the US and someone just dropped the word TISAX on your desk, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to walk through a starter kit that's designed to solve your biggest, most immediate problem. How to get your leadership to greenlight this project and, sign the check. So let's picture this. An email from a big European customer lands in your inbox, and the message is crystal clear. You need to get a TISAX label. And this isn't a friendly suggestion, right? It's a flat-out mandate if you want to keep doing business with them. Your first thought is probably, what on earth is TISAX? And your very next thought is, how am I going to get my boss to approve the budget for this thing?
Because let's be real, this is not a small ask. A typical TISAX implementation, it can cost you anywhere from $75,000 to $250,000. And that's just in outside costs. A number like that, it guarantees you're going to have a very serious conversation with your executive team. And that's the exact conversation we're here to get you ready for. To build that winning case, we've got to start by framing the problem in a way that leadership immediately gets. So what is this TISAX mandate, really? And what are the actual bottom-line stakes for your business?
Okay, so TISAX, it stands for Trusted Information Security Assessment Exchange. You can just think of it as the auto industry's one unified security standard. It's how the big car makers make sure that you, as their supplier, can be trusted with their most sensitive stuff. We're talking everything from top-secret designs to physical prototypes of cars that don't even exist yet. The key word here, mandatory. This is not optional. It's your ticket to the game.
So, what happens if you don't get that ticket? Look, the risks aren't some vague IT problem. They are direct threats to your company's revenue. You could straight up lose the contracts you already have, you will be shut out of new business opportunities, and you risk getting completely locked out of the entire European automotive supply chain. It's that serious.
But wait, if it's so critical, why is getting approval so tough? Well, that brings us to the real hurdle, the thing that trips most people up, the sheer scale of what this is going to take.
Now check this out. From the moment you kick this thing off to the day you actually get your TISAX label, you're looking at 9 to 15 months. This isn't some quick IT project you can just knock out in a quarter. No way. This is a long-term governance program. It's going to require sustained effort and a lot of resources.
And that effort? It has a very real price tag. Internally, you're talking about dedicating the equivalent of 1 to 3 full-time employees to this for over a year. And that's on top of those huge external costs for auditors and consultants we just saw. So when your execs see numbers like these, that customer email isn't enough. They need a bulletproof business case.
And this right here is the heart of the problem. This quote really says it all. Most companies don't fail at TISAX because of some technical thing. No, they fail right at the very beginning. They underestimate what it's going to take, and because of that, they fail to get the executive commitment and the budget they need. This is the exact problem this TISAX Starter Kit was built to solve.
Okay, so we've laid out the stakes and the challenge. Now, let's get to the good part, the solution. This is your toolkit, designed for one thing, to get you that executive yes.
Now, this TISAX Starter Kit isn't some super technical compliance manual. Think of it as a communication tool. It's got 6 professional documents that were made to do one thing and one thing only. Help you translate this complicated technical mess into a clear, compelling business case that your leadership team can actually understand and get behind.
So let's peek inside. You get an executive one-pager for that quick, get-to-the-point meeting, a TISAX Explain document so you become the expert, a full PowerPoint script for a more formal presentation, and an FAQ doc so you're ready for any curveball questions. But honestly, the real power players here are the 2 Excel tools, a budget calculator to create a realistic cost estimate, and an impact workbook to figure out how ready or unready your company actually is. It's the whole shebang.
So you've got the tools, but the kit also gives you a super clear, actionable plan to actually use them. We're not talking about months of prep work here. This is about a focused 2-day sprint to get you ready for that big meeting.
Here's the game plan. Step 1. Use that TISAX Explained guide to get smart on this yourself. Step 2. Use the Impact Workbook to take an honest look at where your company is today. Step 3. Punch your numbers into the budget calculator to get a real data-driven cost. And finally, Step 4, take all that great info and prepare your briefing for the execs. In just a couple of days, you go from having this vague mandate to a concrete plan with real numbers to back it up.
And what's really cool is the kit gives you 2 different ways to have that conversation, depending on how your company works.
For a quick decision, you use the executive one-pager. It's perfect for a 15-minute chat with the CEO to get that initial buy-in. But for a formal budget meeting, you'll use the full PowerPoint script to present the whole case and lock down approval for the entire program. You get to pick the strategy that's right for you.
Okay, so getting that approval is step one. But the real goal here shouldn't be just to check a box. Let's talk about how to spin this mandatory chore into a serious business advantage.
This is how you need to reframe it. TISAX isn't just a cost. When you do it right, it becomes a competitive edge. Companies with a TISAX label get put at the front of the line for the most important projects. The process itself forces you to build discipline that lowers risk across your whole business. And ultimately, it builds a foundation that adds value way beyond just passing some audit.
Let's be crystal clear about the value here. The TISAX Starter Kit, it's all about getting you over that first massive hurdle, securing the executive approval and the budget. But the real prize, the real win, is what comes after. A proper, well-thought-out implementation is what turns this compliance headache into a lasting competitive advantage. So we'll end with the question you should be taking back to your team. Is TISAX just another compliance cost you have to swallow? Or is it the key that unlocks your next big competitive advantage in a global market? How you answer that question will make all the difference.